Welcome everyone. In this video tutorial, I'm going to walk you through setting up your Pulse app for news subscriptions. Once your app is downloaded, go ahead and click on Pulse to open it. Just like Zite, Pulse asks whether or not you would like to create an account so that all of your devices using Pulse can share content and information, but it's not necessary, so go ahead and just click Maybe Later. You should start to see a pattern emerging inside of these news apps, these customizable news apps, where you select the content that you want to be delivered to your magazine. So I'm going to choose Technology. Maybe Fun and Humor. And I'm just going to start scrolling through to see if there's anything else right now that I want to add. Those are the only two categories out of this home page that interest me at this time. So I'm going to click Start Reading up in the top right-hand corner. On the far left, you will see your navigation for the types of content that you have. You can add additional content by clicking on Add Content. And you'll notice that this top area scrolls through different sections that will have additional content as well. So recommended, we'll look at the types of things that I'm signed up for to suggest things that I might be interested in as well. So I can start to scroll through and see if any of these topics interest me. I can also go through and look at what's new, different news sources, additional technology and science. I'm going to select Apple, and maybe Best of Apple. Click on the plus sign to add that content. I'm going to add that to my technology. I'm going to do the same thing on the Worldwide Developers Conference going on right now in California. Add it to technology. I'm going to hit the top arrow to go back and continue to browse the different sections for other content I might want to add. Once I'm sure I've added all of the material I want to at this time, I'll hit the Close button and then just click anywhere inside of the magazine. And as I now navigate down my page, those new subscriptions, Best of Apple and the Worldwide Developers Conference 2013, now appear in my list of magazines that I can browse through. So you swipe down to see all of your channels, and you swipe across to see all of the articles in your subscriptions. Let me look at the article about the streaming of the keynote conference, and now I can read this article and follow any links inside of this article. At the very top, there's a bookmark. If this is an article that I want to save and have easy access to it, I can save the story by clicking on that bookmark, or I can share out this story to my LinkedIn community, my Facebook page, or my Twitter account. I can type my message in and then click Post. I'm not going to do that right now. I'm going to go ahead and close that. I'm going to go back to my magazine. If at any time I decide I have too many subscriptions or one of my subscriptions isn't exactly what I thought it would be, I can go ahead and click on this X to remove that subscription from my magazine choices. If I want to go back to add more content, I'll click on the Table of Contents icon that we're seeing in a lot of these apps. Now I can go back and I can flip between technology, my humor, or I can go back and add content. Enjoy!